Hey, welcome to Ferro TV, and today we are going to learn how to save a file in mp4 format in Adobe Premiere Pro. And in this one, you are using Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So without wasting my time, after doing your video then everything, you first select the file. You go to the top menu, then you select the file. So after selecting the file, you scroll down to export. After selecting the file, you scroll down to export, then you see a pop right menu, then it will pop up. So after popping up, you click on media, or you in a shortcut format, you can just use Ctrl plus M. Ctrl plus M, it will open the save or export settings button. So with this one, you will see a list of options for the format. First, you select H.264. H.264. So in this one, you see pixels in old news media 101, blah blah blah, and the format is mp4. And when you select the preset, you can save it in high bitrate, median, adaptive high bitrate. Then you see the high quality, then mp high quality in 480, 720, 1080, then 2160 in 4K. Then you see a list of options. So with this one, I'll select median. Then the file size will come. So let me scroll up so that you see. So the file format is 102 megabytes. So with this one, you just click on the export and you're good to go. Thank you for your time. Bye.